All right, so the first thing that I want to do is, here's the property right here. I want to check on this water meter. One of the things that I like to do is check on the water meter. And we just recently had that tree right there planted, and we had a huge oak like this removed because the roots are damaging the sidewalk. And I'll just show you real quick. Right here. And we have to grind that down in an effort to prevent further damage. We just went ahead and removed it and replaced it with this tree. But let me show you this meter right here. These meters right here are covered up, and you can't even see where the, oh look, there's some roots growing in here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spend some time, and I'm actually going to, get rid of all this extra debris and be able to have this more visible. So if the tenant needs to turn off the water, you want them to be able to open this up and say, oh, there it is. This is our side, and then this is the other side. But right now you can't tell because it's getting overgrown. Oh, and you know what? Let's see if there's any roots, because sometimes these roots can cause problems, and they can go. Okay, here's the pipe for that one. Here's the pipe for this, where it plugs in. Oh, look here. Look at this root right here. This root right now is small, but notice how it's going right underneath the pipe. See, this is my pipe. If I don't cut this root right here before it gets huge, this little guy right there going under my pipe is going to cause damage later in the future. So that's just a friendly reminder to open these up and check them every so often. All right, let's go inside here. Oh, I also install alarms. Open floor plan, the living room, dining room right here. This is a door to the garage. Washer and dryer right here. Here's the master bathroom. And then we got the closet here. Here's the kitchen. Always ask the tenant that's leaving to unplug the fridge and open it up, because when the power gets turned off, there could go a few days of no power to the unit, and I don't want to get moldy or stinky or anything in there. Here is bathroom. Light right there. And then we got 2 bedrooms right here. We have to repair a handle, a pull handle right there. This was a hole that they drilled, and they popped a little Ethernet cable through so they can have internet back here. I hate that. There's another bedroom, closet. Let's go out back. Nice backyard here. And here's where we keep the trash and recycling. Oh, I install these signs on the rentals. Just something I do, a little extra safety measure. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to walk through and kind of share some things with you guys. I'm thinking what I could do is show you one thing that I came here to do. I don't like that they keep running wires down the side and drilling through every time they sign up for cable and internet. So I decided I'm gonna do something about it to prevent having a whole bunch of wires always up and down the side of the house. I installed this guy right here. It's a little like, I don't know, an AV little cabinet. In the future, they'll just keep using the same infrastructure that I installed. And I know it's a pain getting in the attic and everything, but it beats, having an endless amount of holes all drilled through the side of the house. Let me show you the one that I recall from the last turnover. They had it wired, ran all the way down this wall And here's the remnants of that, what's left right there. And then it went down here and they punched the hole through that I feel. But it's a nuisance for me. I can't stand all these little holes they drill. Now let me show you the one, like, see this? These wires that go up in the soffit. Sometimes they try to jam them up in there and they cause damage, or they run them down at the bottom. The one that I showed you from that bedroom, this is the other side of it. So they come down, they run the wire down here, down here, down here, and then they just drill right through the dang side of the house. And they punch these things in randomly, like whoever the technician is, the tenant just hires a company to install internet or cable or whatever package, and they're like, okay, sign here, you know, and in the fine print it's like, hey, we might, you know, cause some damage, drill some holes, and they don't care. The tenant's not even involved. They just like, yeah, give me the internet, I need internet. So I'm tired of this problem, and I'm gonna try to do something about it. There's so much of a data dump when the new tenants are placed. Yeah, maybe I can do a video or something and say, hey, don't, when you hire out your cable and the internet, don't let them run wires along the side of the house or up in the soffit and stuff like that, because they're going to take the path of least resistance. They're not going to get in the attic. From my experience, the majority of them won't, especially here in Florida when it's really hot. They'll be like, forget that. So this is just me trying to prevent repetitive damage, and I'm willing to do the little extra effort that it takes to hopefully prevent headache later on down the road. But that's it for now. Appreciate it, guys. See you later.